How to lock photos in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can lock photos in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to lock your photos in Google Photos, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the Google Photos application here. Once you launch the Google Photos app, let's say there are certain types of photos or videos that you want to lock and you don't want other people to see. So long press on a certain photo over here. You can also select multiple photos, by the way, and then from the bottom you'll see many options where you have to scroll to the right hand side, and from the bottom right you'll find an option called move to locked folder. So now all you have to do is tap on the move to locked folder button, and here you'll find different sort of options such as move to locked folder. So tap the setup option here, and then first of all make sure to simply go ahead and set up your locked folder if you don't have any sort of locked folders, and then tap on continue and tap on move to locked folder, and this way you will be able to go ahead and then actually lock photos in Google Photos. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.